Hey guys, Lance the Option Teacher here. I'm going to be looking at some possible trades with ASST. Currently lost my cover calls and looking to re-enter Monday or Tuesday. One way to do this is a ratio put. I would look at nearly at the money or slightly below and buying the put, and then go below it around 17 to sell it. So you're going to be buying one at 18, selling two at 17. You do get an estimated credit here. But what's good about this is if it goes to 17, you could treat this as a put debit spread. With one contract here, you make an extra $100 per contract, and then you get assigned to 17 and then sell covered calls and whatnot. This is for 8/28, just a week later. I would probably look closer to a month out. Doing the same strikes, you get $87 credit per contract. This also could work out pretty well. The way to get a sign, we could look at the 17 and the 16 as well. You do get a decent credit as well, $57, and you're a little bit safer in the short put to 16. If it goes to 17, between 17 and 16, you'll still make a decent profit off of that because your 17 put could be worth some value and the 16 put would expire worthless. Another possible way is to sell puts. Say you sell the 16 for about $100 contracts. With that, you could look to possibly buy a farther dated or farther out of the money, somewhere around the 21, which would make it about even, to pay a little bit of a debit there. If you buy the 22 and you think it's going to skyrocket out, it would pay pretty well on the call side, and it's a scratch trade in the end. So here's some ideas that I'm thinking of. If you're interested, join in Discord, and I'll see you guys next time.